uNosicelo sekafaka esipalweni sabomma ababulewe babantu bembaji. Impilo yakhe iqindelisiwe kwachabalala wonke amabhudango ebekanawo. Zonke ngikhulumi bezivumelana ngokuthi kufanele kube nokwenziwako ukuqeda umukhomo ombilo wenturhu yobulili.
It is also possible to make drastic changes in order to deal with the pandemic of gender-based violence. As a task team, we pledge that we will work harder so that the objectives of the GBV policy becomes a platform for real change.
We've been robbed of a future constitutional court judge here. There's a child who came in 2017, the same year that I started, entered through the foundation program, Deputy Minister, and was going to finish the degree in regulation time. And she was going to join the ranks of eminent Fortarians in the legal fraternity.
Uhulumende uthi ipi yenturhu yobulili izokuthunjwa ngokuthi umphakathi ubamsane nawo.
The story of Nosicelo forces us to ask ourselves serious questions about the type of society we are, where we make women feel that they should shrink themselves to the point of disappearance just so that they do not die, just so that they are not raped, just so that they are not killed.
Umndeni waKwaMtebeni nanjiya ukakholwa ukubehlehleleko ngombana bowusalindele okukhulu nokuhle kuNosicelo.
Sibulela ngokungazenzisiyo kwiSouth Africa yonke iphela. Kuyokwabonakala ukuthi ngoNosicelo asilimalanga sisodwa, silimele sibaninzi.
Imininingwane yelanga lomncwabo isazokumenyezelwa.